Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today the problem for Steam games is icon not showing in on the desktop. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, go to the simple step for I will set it for the solo leveling. Then you will set it the icon not showing to you will show the file icon. Then right click to property. You will see the change icon. You will click to select it to click to the browse. Then you will set it the program files. Then see the net volume, net games, solve location. Then you will set the this application you will set it to click to open to click to OK. After click to continue, click to yes. That's all this video. Okay, then thank you for watching.